Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back for an unboxing. All of the products I have today are from Gel Essentials. Gel Essentials is one of the US distributors for Ugly Duckling and a couple of other brands. I'm gonna pop the brands that they sell on the screen. So I have a little sample of one of the brands that they sell. So this is Accents Options. So let's see what color I have. Ooh. Okay, that is a really pretty color. So I'm guessing this is the color Mist, which is a syrup from their syrup collection. I really needed new nail files, so I ended up getting a whole 50 count package of their nail files. The ones that I do use at the current moment are the ones from Magic Gel. They're economy detailer, but I think they are discontinuing their economy detailer nail files. So I was trying to find something similar in price point for me. So I decided to purchase the ones from Ugly Duckling, and I was talking to a nail tech friend of mine, Carrie, and she used the Ugly Duckling medium nail files, and she said these are very similar to the ones from Magic Gel, so I'm going to give these a try. But I decided to treat myself and buy an Ugly Duckling brush. This is the Detailer 2, and I've heard insanely good things about the Detailer 2 brush. If I get this right, the Detailer 2 brush is, I believe, a 7mm brush. I'll put the information on the screen. And if anyone knows me, besides nail forms, I also love nail brushes. I know, look, that's just... I cannot wait to try this brush. This is the limited edition Ugly Duckling Crystal Cat Eye collection. So you have 6 colors in the collection, and they are all HEMA-free. That is, oh, those are nice bottles. And the 6 colors are, let's go with the color Morganite. Ooh. That is pretty. It has a nice sheer coverage. I'm going to do one coat without activating the cat eye. And then the next one, I will play around with the cat eye. So let's put this in the lamp and then I will be right back. And that's with 2 coats without activating the cat eye. And that's pretty just by itself, right? With just like that. But now let's have fun with the cat eye, because that's what, that is so, okay. I have not played with cat eye in a hot minute, but that's just, can we just, oh, I am going to have fun with these. Ugly Duckling, if you are watching, I may have just found my new obsession with your products. The next one is Rose Quartz. That is pretty. do something. Do something like this, like I did with the other swatch stick. Oh, just look at that. Look at that. Pink amethyst. She's nice and pink. It's a pretty color. I will say, if anyone knows me, I'm not one for pink, but this pink with the amethyst, that's pretty. Okay. That's after one coat. Can we just say, just right there by itself, as I said with the first color, Morganite, it's just pretty right there if you don't want the cat eye effect with it. But of course, we're here for the cat eye effect. Because that's what you want. You want that little extra oomph in your life. You want that extra wow effect. This is what you want. You want that extra little, yeah. That's what you want. Next up, we have Peridot. And this is a green. I'm so happy I bought this collection. I'm so happy I decided to treat myself. Oh. Yes. There we go. I know I'm wearing blue gloves and that probably does not help, but that's better. I will say, I remember when cat eyes first came out, and they were completely different. You had to have them over a black base. I love this type of cat eye gel polish now that you don't necessarily have to have over a black base. You can have something like this over a different color, and it'll completely change the look of the whole entire nail. Is Blue Topaz. Ooh, look at that blue. OMG, that is gorgeous. Swatch it. That is gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. It's just, okay, put it in the lamp. Activates the cat eye. I mean, just look at that. look at that cat eye effect. Just, I mean. Last but not least, we have Blue Sapphire. Shut the front door. Shut the front door. This looks like it has the tiniest bit of purple. I did. That is just... This whole collection is just... That is one coat of Blue Sapphire. Oh, yeah, right. Oh. Look at that cat eye, right there. That's, yes. While that cures in the lamp, let's swatch the accents options little sample that I got. Okay. That is really interesting. Okay. I see what they mean by syrup. But it definitely has that sheer tone to it. And it doesn't look like regular, a regular style like potted gel. It has a nice, it goes on a lot lighter than what I thought it would be. But it really is a pretty color. And that is one coat. And I will say this, it does, and it's hard for you to tell on camera, it does self-level out the tiny, it does self-level out really nicely. This, and it does glide on really, really well. I'm going to pop this in the lamp and I'm going to come back for a second coat of this one. And that is after 2 coats. That's a really pretty color. I actually really like those tones. I know that's a lot darker in the pot than what is on the swatch stick, but that's actually really pretty. And I get how it's called a syrup gel. You really have to play with this to see what it means by a syrup gel. It's completely different than a gel polish. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you want to see me play around with any of these cat eye gel polishes, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you soon. Bye.